I'm Dusty Smiley. I'm one of the armor mechanics at the Flying Heritage and Combat Armor Museum. And as most of you have noticed, the museum has been temporarily closed for an unspecified amount of time due to the COVID-19 outbreak. But today, I'm sitting in this beautiful M4A1 Half-Track, taking a break from working at home. I thought you all might enjoy a kind of a fresh take on some of the projects that the Armory Department has been working on. We are pushing really hard to develop some new online content, creating new material to keep you informed, educated, and entertained. We're experimenting with new ideas, building new things, and educating ourselves to provide you with the best content the Flying Heritage and Combat Armor Museum has ever produced. So be on the lookout because you don't want to miss it. Thanks, guys.